welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Crystal Beauty. If you're just stopping by for the first time, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video helpful, share to your family and friends, and I know you're going to find it helpful. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my flawless half-cast lotion. It's a whitening lotion that gives me this flawless skin, and I'll be using this as my base, mervlin Intense Lotion. So this base, this mervlin lotion, is a luxury toning milk. It's the same makers of Frankincense lotion. It's very nice, it's very good. It gives me this milky, light, luxurious look. It contains carrot oil. It's a treatment cream. That's what I use. That's what I use for people. They use it and they love it. So you can use any other base if you want to, but this is the particular one I use. This luxury milk. So let's go to my workstation where I'll show you how I pro-mix this to make it. So first off, we're going to be starting with our gel. We're going to be using Visible Difference gel. It doesn't contain clobetasol and it's very good for spots. It's very good for lightening. So I'll be adding one of the tube on it. Open it. One full one. Then Janet papaya tube. This tube is very good. It's an anti-stretch mark tube. The thing about it is that it is a lot of fake of it in the market, so you have to be very sure to buy the original one. And I think that the original one is not even common, so if you want to get the original one, you can buy from me to be sure. But it's an anti-stretch mark and it's very nice. So we're going to be using half of it. Yeah. One full one. 2 tablespoons. Then of course our X White half-cast oil is an extreme whitening oil. It's very good. That's what makes up the half-cast lotion. It's very active, so but you can use the other ones in the organic stores sells, but me, I prefer this one because this one is more active than the one in the organic shops. Then also our Dr. Miracle serum. This serum is a treatment serum. It's a treatment serum. It's very nice. So when as a person is lightening, this serum is treating as well. So we're going to be adding a tablespoon because I'm using 250 ml from the base cream. This is going to produce a 300 ml cup. Then my favorite oil of all time, Gluta Extra Whitening Oil. This is, in fact, I think this is like the best oil on the market. It's very nice. I use it a lot. It contains glutathione, vitamin C, and it's great for whitening. It doesn't just lighten, it also glows. So but it's very difficult to come out, so then Star Clear oil. This tartar oil is a glowing oil. As you can see, my skin is glowing. This is the secret of it. So what if the person is light, the person will be so pale if you don't put this lightening, this glowing oil. With lightening, you are also glowing. Yeah, so this oil is a very good glowing treatment. You can even add it to your normal cream and it's going to be wow. It will give you a wow glossy effect on your skin. Then black aha. This aha is a penetrator. That's why you see most times when people use creams, it goes and give them white spots because there is no penetrator. This aha consists of propylene glycol, lactic acid, just a little bit, you know, to allow the cream penetrate the skin and work so as to avoid white dots. Because white dots doesn't mean that the cream is not working. It just means that the cream is working, but it is only lightening your hair follicles, and that's really not good. Then my favorite perfect leg, Shenic stage 2 for green vein, varicose vein, and dilated vessels and scars. It's good to add it to your cream so that people don't complain of green vein, because a lot of times people tell me, oh, I use this cream, it lightened me and it gave me green vein. So if you want to avoid that, you don't want to have problem with your clients, or you don't want to have problem at all when using this cream, always add Shenic to all your mix. I do it to all my mix, so it's nice. Then don't over add this anti-stretch mark skin repair, because then it will now reduce the potency of the cream. Then also rapid clear oil. This is a quick sharp lightening serum. It's very potent. So 1 tablespoon. And if you notice in my mix, I did not add powders, because powders are one of those things that causes white patches. They don't settle, they don't go down in the skin easily. They only remain on top of the skin and they don't penetrate. So I don't use powders. I only use powders for my soap, but for creams, powder is a no-no. I rather use serum. So a little bit of vitamin E, sorry, let me place it, vitamin E serum. If you have the capsule, good, but I don't have the capsule, so I just use a little bit of this. Let's smell of this. So then our glutathione, because I want to increase the level of glutathione in that cream, so I use glutathione oil instead of the powders. If you're working with cream, my little advice, work with serums and oils. Avoid powders, except you really know how to measure it and how to use the right powders, because powders are better than soap. So just like that, vitamin E oil, press it. I'm going to be adding frankincense oil, just a little. I don't have to measure it anymore, just a little bit. Yeah, but it's very harsh, so it's always nice to use frankincense in little quantity, because the smell is quite strong, so as not to irritate people that they are sensitive to smell. So we put a little. So the reason why I use this Halfcast oil is because it contains glutathione, and if you notice in this mixture, I use more of glutathione based
oils and serum to boost the glutathione level in the cream to make it very effective. It's better than mixing glutathione, kojic, alpha-arbutin. It won't work because those are major lightening agents. They will fight each other. So it's better you stick to one lightening agent, then you increase it so as for it to work. So you can see I use this Gluta C and this. So these are my key ingredients.
Hello guys, so this is already made of our Halfcast lotion. As you can see, let's try it out. So nice, lovely, easily absorbed. It's not grease, it doesn't stick on your skin and start attracting dust to you. It's easily absorbed. It's very nice. So if you like to get this already made lotion, just send us a message. If you want to purchase the ingredients or you want to use another base, I sell the ingredients too. And also our ebooks are for sale for the full recipes and all other recipes in case you want to go into the skincare business. Tested and trusted recipes. Okay, so just message me on WhatsApp or follow me on Instagram or message me on Instagram. I'm always here for you for any skincare issues, consultation you want to discuss with me. Please message me. The girl is always going to be here.